everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. I found these containers over at my local dollar store, and you can use these around your kitchen to get organized. If you have a real big refrigerator, you could use them in a refrigerator. I put these in my refrigerator and I loaded them up with apples and oranges, onions. I have one with green onions and leeks and other things like that. Here's a couple of avocados. And it just kind of makes your refrigerator more organized. Because I took and I put these across the back of the refrigerator, leaving the room in the front for the other things that I wanted. And then I found this drawer on the internet. You just clip this on the shelf in your refrigerator, and it's like a nice meat drawer for lunch meat. So that's kind of cool. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.